Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Rage. Today we are going to continue with the daily byte. Today's problem is palindrome strings. So this question is asked by Facebook. Given a string, return whether or not it forms a palindrome ignoring the case and non-alphabetical characters. And there's a note. A palindrome is a sequence of characters that reads the same forwards and backwards. And there's an example. A level should return true because if you read it from left or right, it should be level. It's just straightforward. Then algorithm is false. A man, a plan, a canal, Panama, which is true. A palindrome is a string that is equal to its reverse. This was our yesterday's problem. If you didn't check it out, you can check it out. It's about the reversing strings. So we will create another Python file. We'll call it palindrome.py, and let's dive into it. So in order to solve this problem, just because it says ignoring the case and non-alphabetical characters, especially non-alphabetical characters, we can use regex or regex if I'm pronouncing it not correctly. So first of all, we can use the library, a module inside of Python called re. So we will import re, which is a library for a module for regular expressions, regex. And then we need a function. We will call this function is palindrome. We will feed in a string. Let's call it ht for simplicity. Now we need a variable to store the clean string, a string without non-alphabetical characters and some and lowercase. So let's call this clean string, which equals to re dub. We will use sub method. Sub method is just substitutes. So let's say we need what? We need a regular expression for ignore everything from A to Z, and change this with and then ST. I will explain this lower. So what does this regular expression do? We can test it here. There is a site for a tool for this to visualize or learn. Yeah, this one. Regular expression. Learn, build, test, and other things. So what did we input there? We had this character set and we said A to Z, A to Z. Okay, so as you can see, here we have a negation symbol. So if we say check everything that is not from A to Z, capitals and lower letters. So that means we are removing every non-alphabetical character with this regex. As you can see here, if we remove this, it will match every single character in the in the text. But if we negate that, that means we will check every non-alphabetical value. So it can be numbers, it can be punctuational things like this, it will only catch them. So we use this inside our sub method. We give this regular expression. We say check our string, check for these elements or characters that are non-alphabetical, and replace them with just nothing. It basically means just delete them. After we do this, then we chain another function which is called lower. This will make sure that we pass this test also. So it will be ignoring the case. So it will be lowercase, everything will be lowercase, so comparison will be easier. And then we said palindrome is a string that equals to its reverse. So easy enough, we will return clean string comparison clean string from reverse. So here we just check, this is just a statement to check if the clean string itself is equal to reversed version of it. That should do it. That should be the main solution. So in order to test, we will have our inputs, which will be again, okay, we have our inputs. Now let's check it. For input in inputs, we will print is palindrome input. Let's check and see what happens. Okay, we have our initial results. So the first one, level, return true. Let me do it like this so you can read the code. So the level returned true as expected. Algorithm returned false as expected. A man, a canal, a plan, Panama returns true. So this was the solution for this problem. It was, again, it is just the solution itself is 6 lines, even 5 lines, even 4 lines, as you can see. So we just imported the regular expression module from the Python. We created a isPalindrome method to, first of all, substitute the non-alphabetical values and then make it lowercase. And then we just checked if it is, let's say, equal to its reverse or not. That was it for today. See you soon tomorrow. And if you like these videos, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Thank you so much. See you soon.